COB Corporation welcomes you to Warsaw!
It's time for our Students Day Tour in Warsaw. Isa ito sa pinaka-aabangan naming activity sa COB Corporation kasi dito namin nakikita yung mga ngiti, excitement at joy ng mga estudyanteng dating nangangarap lang, ngayon ay nasa Poland na talaga. Bakit nga ba ideal mag-aral dito sa Poland? At higit sa lahat, bakit nga ba namin ginagawa ito sa COB? Of course, to be a channel of blessings. Ang Poland ay isa sa mga hidden gems ng Europe. Hindi lang siya maganda at peaceful, it's also one of the most student-friendly countries in the world. Dito, makakakuha ka ng international degree with lower tuition fees compared sa ibang bansa. Marami pa sa mga universities dito ay English-taught programs, kaya perfect para sa ating mga Pinoy. At ang mas maganda pa, 3 years lang ang bachelor's degree. Kaya mas maikli, mas tipid, pero world-class pa rin ang education. Cost of living, super affordable. Madali ang transportation, safe maglakad kahit gabi, at ang linis ng paligid. Sabi ng estudyante namin, dito mas nakaka-focus ka sa goals mo. At syempre, pwede kang magtrabaho habang nag-aaral. Unlimited working hours pa. So you can gain European work experience habang nag-iipon at nagtataguyan ng sarili mong future. Pero higit pa sa pag-aaral at trabaho, nakakatuwang isipin na through the years, marami na kaming estudyanteng naging success stories dito sa Poland. May graduate as summa cum laude and top of the class sa University of Warsaw. May naging teacher sa American International School of Warsaw. May manager na ngayon sa multinational corporation. Meron pa nga naging artista dito sa Poland, kaka-extra-extra. At marami sa kanila ay nasa marketing, IT, customer service, at even sa airline industry. May isa pa kaming estudyante na nagsabi, I found my purpose here. These stories remind us every day why we do what we do. COB is not just about bringing students to Europe. It's about helping dreams take root, grow, and bloom. Every success story we witness feels personal kasi we were there from the start, not only from school application and visa application, but until makarating sila dito. From airport pick-up to helping them find an apartment, teaching them how to take the tram, open a bank account, apply for jobs, we're there every step of the way. We don't just process documents, we build journeys. We don't just assist students, we welcome family. Poland has truly become a place where dreams grow. And for us at COB Corporation, every student's success is a blessing we also celebrate. So as we share with you our Student Day Tour series, we hope you see not just the beauty of Poland, but also the possibility of your own story unfolding here. Sa aming mga susunod na videos, we'll share more about our student pathway to Poland and how you too can start your journey with us. Be one of our students and let COB Corporation SPZU be the channel of blessings, guide you every step of the way from your dream to your destination. Admissions now open for winter and spring intake 2026. Visit our website www.cobcorporationspzu.eu. Because here in Poland, with COB Corporation SPZU, you're not just studying abroad, you're building a life with a purpose, with hope, and with family.